50 GK questions and answers for kids that can improve their general knowledge quotient. Questions with answers for Class 1, ages 6. 1. Who was the first Law Minister of Independent India? Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. 2. Who opened the first school for girls in India? Savitribai Phule. 3. Who was the first Indian woman to become a pilot? Captain Prem Mathur. 4. Who was the first Indian to become the President of the UN General Assembly? Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. 5. Which language was thought to be spoken by Buddha? Pali. 6. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India? Tessie Thomas. 7. In which century did the use of the charkha, spinning wheel, become common in India? 14th century AD. 8. Who was the first Indian woman to win the Ashoka Chakra? Nirja Bhanot. 9. In which year did the massacre of Jallianwala Bagh occur? 1919. 10. How many years did it take to build the Taj Mahal? 20 years. GK questions with answers for classes 2 and 3, ages 7 to 8. 11. Who was the first Indian woman to win a medal at the Olympics? Karna Malleshwari. 12. Who is the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. 13. What is the name of the oldest known civilization found in the Indian subcontinent? Indus Valley Civilization. 14. Who is the first Indian woman to become a botanist? This person also made sugarcanes taste sweeter. Janki Ammal. Biology. 15. How many bones does a human adult have? 206. 16. In which country is the global seed vault located? Norway. 17. Apart from Homo sapiens, which are the other two species under the genus Homo? Homo habilis and Homo erectus. 18. Why does the Red Sea's water sometimes turn red? The sea is sometimes filled with the blooms of the algae Trichodesmium erythraeum. When they die, the water becomes reddish-brown. It is also known as sea sawdust. 19. Which are the easily available sources of vitamin B12? Milk, eggs, fish, nuts, legumes, red meat, etc. Chemistry. 20. Which gases are responsible for global warming? Carbon dioxide, methane, fluorinated gases, F-gases, and nitrous oxide. GK questions with answers for classes 4, 5, and 6, ages 9 to 11. 21. Who designed the periodic table? Dmitry Mendeleev. 22. What is used for artificially ripening fruit? Calcium carbide. 23. Which element is a diamond made of? Carbon. 24. Which gas is also known as laughing gas? Nitrous oxide. 25. What is the highest temperature that mercury thermometers can measure? 360 degrees Celsius. 26. Which metal is used to make the filament of the electric bulb? Tungsten. 27. How many kilometers are there in a light year? 94. 60, 73,00,00,000 kilometer. 28. At what temperature is the density of water at its maximum? 4 degrees Celsius. 29. What does the ozone layer protect us from? UV rays. 30. In which Indian state is the world's longest sandstone cave located? Krempuri in Meghalaya. GK questions with answers for classes 7 and 8, ages 12 to 13. 31. Which Indian airport uses only solar power to run its operations? Cochin International Airport. 32. When is National Farmers' Day celebrated in India? 23rd December. 33. Who is the youngest person to climb Mount Everest? Malavat Purna. 34. Which Indian cities are the cleanest according to Swachh Sarvekshan 2018? Indore, Bhopal, and Chandigarh. 35. Who is the current governor of the Reserve Bank of India? Shaktikanta Das. 36. According to the Air Quality Index report released by Central Pollution Control Board in 2018, which is the most polluted city in India? Patna. 37. When is the National Girl Child Day celebrated in India? 24th January. 38. Who is the current chairman of the Central Board of Secondary Education? Rakesh Kumar Chaturvedi. 39. What day is celebrated as International Day of Charity? 5th September. Sports. 40. Which country is hosting the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2019? England. GK questions with answers for classes 9 and 10, ages 14 to 15. 41. When were the Commonwealth Games first held? 1930. 42. Which tennis player was ranked India's national number 1 by the Women's Tennis Association for a decade, 2003 to 2013? Sania Mirza. 43. Who is the first Indian ever to feature among the top 10 women squash players in the world? Deepika Pallikal Karthik. 44. Who is the popular athlete with 12 toes to win a gold medal in the 2018 Asian Games? Swapna Burman. Literature. 45. In which book does the fictional town of Malgudi first find a mention? Swami and Friends. 46. During which century did the famous poet Kabir live? 15th century AD. 47. Which Indian authors have won the Man Booker Prize? V.S. Naipaul, Salman Rushdie, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai and Arvind Adiga. 48. Who won the inaugural JCB Prize for Literature in 2018? Benjamin for Jasmine Days, translated from Malayalam by Shehnaz Habib. 49. Who wrote the Jungle Book? Rudyard Kipling. 50. What is the pen name of Munshi Premchand? Nawab Rai.